Hi, Lo. Are you ready to have your first meal? Today is June 16th, 2009. You are exactly 4 months and 16 days old. And Dad is going to serve up some of your single grain rice cereal. Let's see how you do. Okay, that might be kind of a large bite.
Yeah, he's a big boy.
Okay. Let's see. I think we want to wait for him to finish that one.
I was trying to get that out of his mouth.
Oh, what do you think, buddy? Thanks, Dad, for helping. You just had your 4-month checkup yesterday, and the doctor said that we can start introducing rice cereal.
Lucky.
You want to catch that a little bit? He's got a little dropper there. You were in the 53rd percentile for your weight, so those chubby cheeks are deceptive. What do you think, Boo? Do you like it? Oh, I think that might have been an approval. What do you think? In the little book it said like 2 teaspoons is as much as we can expect him to eat for his first round. Oh, Jackson's playing with the video camera. Oh, Jackson, be careful. Let's see. Jackson, are we watching Logan? Cheese! Jackson thinks that every time the camera's on him, he needs to say cheese. Jackson, say cheese. Cheese. Say mom. Let's look back. Say baby. Oh. Say baby. Baby. Baby Logan is having some good eats. I think Dad needs to do a little catching up. Oh. Oh.
I ended up putting it in his mouth twice.
Yeah, and I think we need to invest in some bibs for Logan. He drools a little bit more than our first one did.
Logan, you're a nightmare.
Jackson, oh, Dad.
In a good way, in a good way.
Jackson. Jackson. Jeez. Wait, do it again. Dang it, I didn't have the camera the right way. Jackson. Jackson. What? Cheese. Logan. Well, he's eating it. He's not like pushing it all out.
Eating it.
Yeah. I mean, there's a lot on his shirt, but
in that general region of his body.
Alright, Log, that's your first taste at food. Thanks, Dad. Love you. Almost Father's Day. Bye.